Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial about how to insert blocks in each cross-section referring to FRL from LS line using the Quick Sections module of ESurvey Civil Tools. In Quick Section module, the cross-sections are created using ground data along the alignment. After inserting the template, trim the lines which need to stop at the intersection. If you have ground data in layer 1 and if the template line is in layer 2, then you can attach these two lines to the respective section object and you can recreate the section to get the area calculation. Before running this command, create the longitudinal section and draw the formation level series line in CAD package. Or if you have the data in Excel, convert it as quick.csv file and save it in the temporary folder C drive/esurvey/temp. Create the longitudinal section by using the scsv command as explained earlier. You also need to create a CAD block of your template representation to insert it in cross-section. It is recommended to have the cross-section template line in layer 2. When you execute IBFL command, you will be prompted to provide horizontal scale, vertical scale, starting chainage of CS and a reference point. After providing this information, select the series line representing the longitudinal section from the section drawing. Specify the block name, mention the block name which has cross-section template and select the section objects of cross-sections for which you want to insert the template. IBFL command will insert the block at formation level by reading the content of each section object. You can now trim extended formation lines. Once you have prepared all the individual cross-sections, you have to attach formation level to the section object. Run atml attach multiple lines to section object command to attach lines to all the selected section objects in one go. Run exeq command to recreate the cross-sections once again so that formation layer series values will also be updated in cross-section. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to export the section data to Excel.